In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload file in Bitbucket in Hindi. Even though I'm explaining it in English, I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along easily and confidently. First, log into your Bitbucket account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace where your project lives and that you have permission to make changes. Once you're in, look for the Repositories section. This is your hub for all projects you can access. Click on Repositories and then select the specific repository where you want to add your file. If you have many, it can help to use the search bar to find it quickly. Inside your repository, open the Source tab. This is the main view of your project's files and folders, and it shows you exactly what's in the current branch. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place in the directory tree if you plan to add the file to a specific folder. Now look to the upper right corner of the source page and click the three dots, often labeled as More Actions. From the drop-down, choose Add File. This opens Bitbucket's built-in editor where you can create a new file directly in the browser. Start by typing the file name at the top. Include the correct extension, like .md, .txt, .js, or .pi, so Bitbucket and your tools recognize it properly. If you need to create the file inside a folder that doesn't exist yet, you can type a path like folder name / new file.txt. Bitbucket will handle creating the folder along with your file. It's a good practice to avoid spaces in file names. Use hyphens or underscores instead. Next, add your content. Type your file's content directly in the editor or paste it in if you've prepared it elsewhere. The editor is great for quick edits and small files, and it supports basic formatting and code syntax highlighting, which makes reviewing your changes easier before saving. When you're happy with the content, scroll down to the commit section. Add a clear descriptive commit message that explains what you're adding and why. For example, add README with project setup instructions is more helpful than something generic. This message becomes part of your project history and helps teammates understand the change. Finally, click Commit to save your changes to Bitbucket. After a moment, you'll return to the source view, and your new file will appear in the repository, ready for your team to review or use. That's it. You logged in, opened your repository, went to source, used the three-dot menu to add a file, typed the name and content, and committed the change. Simple, direct, and effective.